Welcome to our video on transferring crypto from Binance to your Wix website in 2025. Whether you're a business owner or a content creator, this guide is designed to help you seamlessly manage your crypto transactions. Binance is one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges worldwide, offering a plethora of digital assets, trading options, and a vibrant community to support investors and traders alike. Wix provides robust features for integrating cryptocurrency payments, making it an ideal platform for entrepreneurs looking to accept digital currencies. Before transferring crypto, ensure your Binance account is secure and fully verified. This involves setting up two-factor authentication and understanding your wallet options. Now, let's create your crypto wallet on your Wix site. Navigate to the settings and select the wallet option to initiate the process. Follow these steps to generate your deposit address on Wix. This address is crucial for receiving crypto from Binance. Once you have your deposit address, head over to your Binance account to initiate the transfer. Select the cryptocurrency and enter your address correctly. After sending your crypto, verify the transaction on both Binance and Wix. Check for confirmation emails and ensure the amounts match. If you encounter issues during your transfer, check these common problems: incorrect address, network delays, or account restrictions. In conclusion, transferring crypto from Binance to your Wix website can be seamless if you follow these steps. Stay informed and manage your transactions wisely.